Master Bai, teach me some Visayan, please.
Okay. Karon mga bay, no? Okay. Naman tayo amigo nga Canadian. Gusto siya makatigog English. Oh, English. Bisaya. Kay yang asawa Bisaya man. So ako po gusto ko makatigog English.
A few moments later.
This is my friend Steve. Say hi to my vlog. Steve.
Hey, Bai.
What is my name?
This is Master Bai.
Master Bai. Him how to speak Bisaya language. Because your wife is Bisaya.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to learn?
I need to learn it all, bro.
So only 2 words, man. A basic way. What do you want to learn?
You know, just the basics, right? Say goodbye. Take
So-
care. How are you?
Okay.
You know,
So-
how to be polite, like thank you, and
Okay.
you know, and when you're done the conversation, like take care, and
Okay.
see you next time. You know, stuff like that.
So the first sentence. So first word. What do you want? Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. In Bisaya. In salamat. Salamat.
Salamat.
Okay.
So that was easy.
That's not too bad. Yeah. Come here.
Do you like AC/DC?
So that's salamat.
Okay.
Thank you. Come here, buddy. Closer. And then,
Yeah. Salamat.
okay.
How about how are you?
How are you? Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka?
Okay.
Kumusta ka?
How are you, Bai?
Okera. Is it
Okay.
Okera?
Yeah.
Okera.
I'm
See, I
fine.
knew that one.
Yeah. I'm fine. Okay, ra.
Okera.
Maayo. Yeah.
Mayu Mayu.
The same. Okay, ra. Maayo. Same.
Okera. Mau.
That's the same.
What are you laughing at?
Maayo, yeah.
Is it my pronunciation?
No. Oh, yeah. Come on, man. It's okay, ra. Kumusta ka? How are you? And
Kumusta ka?
means how are you
How are you?
in English, right?
Yeah. Kumusta ka?
I'm fine.
That's English.
Yeah. I'm fine. Just wait, man. I'm fine, right? Okay, ra.
Yeah.
Okay, ra ko.
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Okay.
Maayo.
Mayu.
Yeah, maayo.
Maayu.
Maayo man ko. That's the same, man. Okra and maayo.
Okay.
Okay? And what's the other one?
Master. Master Bai.
Okay, apprentice, what do you want?
I need to learn, you know when you say to your mama, I love you, or take care, have a good
wow.
night, stuff like that.
Okay. Master gonna find out, man.
Yeah.
So, first, take care.
Okay, take care.
Oh. Take care, ma?
Take
Your mother-in-law?
My mother-in-law, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ayu, mama.
Ayu, mama.
Yeah. Ayu, mama.
Mama.
Yeah,
Oh,
mama.
you gotta say mama.
Yeah, mama.
Oh, okay.
Means mother, right? Okay. Ayu, mama.
Ayu, mama.
Okay.
Is that take care?
Yeah, take care, ma. Take care, mother. Take care, mom.
Ayu, say it again.
Ayu. Times two. Yeah. Ayu,
Ayu,
mama.
mama.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad.
This guy's good, man.
Well, I got a good teacher.
Yeah. What next?
Ayu, mama.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
That's not so bad, man. Easy.
Yeah. Okay. So that was take care.
Yeah.
Jeez, this is a lot to learn, man. I hope this is quick.
Okay, how are you, buddy? How are you, buddy?
Okay, right?
So what is that, man?
That means I'm good. Okay.
So how about how are you?
How are you?
What is that in Bisaya?
Damn.
Okay.
It's not clicking, man.
Let's think about it, man.
It's not clicking.
Come on, man. Come on, bye.
Say it again.
How are you? Bye.
Okay, Ra. Mayu.
And then what is how are you?
Okay, Ra. Mayu. You're gonna have to teach me again, man. Say it again.
Kumusta, bye?
Okay, Ra. Mayu.
Okira
Okay, Ra.
and Mayu.
And
is,
Mayu.
No, wait. Okira and Mayu is the same. So you can use
Okay.
Mayu or you can use Okira. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Kumusta, bye?
Okay, Mary. No, I didn't. Damn.
Oh, it's Maru.
Okay, Ra.
Okay. And then you can use also Mayu. Okay? It's up to you. Mayu or
Yeah.
Okira. Okay?
Okay. Mayu or okra, one or the other.
Yeah, okay. So, Mama, take care.
Oh man, I know I just said it.
Come on, man.
We're gonna have to go over this again.
Only 2 words, buddy.
Say it again.
Mama, take care.
Mama, take care.
Your
you say
mother-in-law,
it?
yeah.
How do you say it again?
Take care, Mama.
Damn. Say it again. I forget. You're gonna have
Ayu, Mama.
Ayu, mama. That's right.
man.
Damn.
Ayu, Mama.
Ayu, mama. Yeah.
So, how about good morning? Good morning.
Good morning is the same, right?
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Please like and share. Please press the notification bell.
Subscribe.
Thank you for subscribing.